Good morning, friends. Now we are leaving from I Wayanad. This is the morning view. Bike is entirely packed. So yeah, let's continue our ride. Today it's going to be around 540-550 kilometers. I'm yet to book a hotel, so depending on that the distance might vary, but it's going to be Hubli, and most probably we'll be staying in the city, in main city, or maybe somewhere on the highway towards Maharashtra. So that was the RT-PCR test checking here at Kutta police station. So I was just asking the person who was registering that let's say if somebody do not have any RT-PCR, how are they managing? So there is this rapid antigen which is being conducted, but that is only for the lorry driver, not for everyone. So if you do not have any RT-PCR, they will send you back. So we have completed close to 70 kilometers. Guwahati. So that was one good breakfast here at this hotel. We have completed close to 160-170 kilometers. Roads are good in Karnataka. I mean, now we can make good progress at distance. The distance that is remaining for today is around 130 kilometers, which is showing around 2 hours and 18 minutes, which is good. So it would be around 60 kilometers per hour. So let's continue the ride. So we have reached Hubli. It's around 6:45. Hi friends, so we have made it to Hubli. Very long day and very long ride, around 550 kilometers. So it was around 11 to 12 hours ka ride that we did today. But overall the experience was really good, but tiring, tiring too. This is the room where I'm staying tonight. Yeah, please excuse the mess. Yeah, so I booked some other hotel, but there was no proper parking, so I need to change it to this hotel, last minute change. But yeah, that's fine. I got this hotel and a proper parking too. So tomorrow is going to be the last ride in Kerala journey that we are doing. But yeah, for now, if you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.